Hello everyone, welcome to another weekend with my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve the question longest common prefix. So here's the description. Write a function to find the longest common prefix as string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, then I have to return a empty string. And like this type of things, you can just give the hint that we have to make an empty string that we will be returning in the end. So this was a pro tip, but example which is given as flower floor flight, and I have to just run a loop. Just we will try let's try a brute force approach or an I approach. Okay, here is nothing common in every. There is nothing common prefix in any of the number of strings, so we have returned an empty string. There is a common string dot length is one is going from 1 to 200, and strings of I dot length is going from 0 to 200. The strings of I consist of only lower. Okay, has given that only lowercase English letters are given here. So sorry. Yeah, fine. So first what we will do here, like obviously we will make an empty string like this, and then what, let's say int I or can, like something like that will be incrementing. So for incrementation we always use I and initiating with 0. Okay, then let's just use the auto iterator it that will be iterating the strings of ith value. Okay, and the second for will be going auto it2 should be going from 2. We should be iterating all the strings here. Then what we will say here, that so what we will say here, like if the iterator 2 of I, like inside the number of arrays, the ith index of the number of the ith index of number of in the ith index inside the number of arrays will not be equal to first iterator, which is iterating the loop from loop of the first string. Then I have to just return what obviously I have to return these empty strings, right? If the number of arrays, if no array will have the same prefix in the first iterator, then it will return this. And after this, something like a base case. Okay, like for this type of these cases, like dog is and race, car and car, where any string don't have, like string of I will be, like when I will be on second index, then it won't it's not matching with any of the index in the first string, right? So in that case it will return an empty string. And if it's not like that, then I will have to return what, string. Inside the string I will be adding the existing strings value with the iterator value, like that number of strings first index value, which index is going on, and I will be incrementing the ith value. After incrementing the ith value, I will be returning the string value. So it's a brute force approach. Time complexity obviously will be go I will keep writing here, like time complexity is going yeah, pico of n square. So how can be written as n square like this? Can we write n square? How can we write n square here? Like this, right? N square, I guess, yeah, n square. And actually it's a brute force approach, and space complexity is going, because I'm not using any extra space. Okay, I'm using the constant extra space, so time complexity will be go 1, and time complexity will be going from 2 n square, because I'm using two loops here. Just which I is accepted. So let's try to summon this, and I will come again with a optimized approach soon. Thank you again. Okay, sorry, what was this? Okay. Thank you again. Bye.